In this video, we're going to learn how to install Google Tag Manager in your website, WordPress website. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here it is my website. To go to the backend of my website, you have to write wp-admin in the URL and you will go to the backend of your website. So what you have to do, go to the plugin, add new plugins, and add new plugins. And then you can GTM kit, right? GTM kit. So in the GTM kit, I have installed it, and all you have to do is install it and then activate it, and you will see GTM kit at the dashboard. So just go to this, or it will move you to the dashboard like this. Go back to the dashboard, and in this case, what you have to do, you have to give the GTM container ID. So for that, you can go to create account and then just name whatever you name it. And you can name whatever you want here in this case, like da da da. And for browser side tracking, you have to select it web and then create, right? So just agree and then click on it. That's all. Your GTM code is created. Yeah, this is. So now what you have to do, you have to just copy this code and then paste it just in this container ID. So this is how you can connect your GTM with your WordPress website. So, and then just click on the toggle and then save. As I have connected my website to the Google Tag Manager, and I have recorded a full video on how to install Facebook Pixel and set all the standard events like page view, view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase. So, and I'll make a lot of tutorials on how to set up the form trackings, yada yada things. So you just have to copy it and then paste it over here and inject container code. uh, just turn on the toggle and then you are done. Everything is like that, you're done. So that's all that you have to do in order to install Google Tag Manager in your website. So I think this if this tutorial helps you, please like the video, comment down below what is the next tutorial that you want to see, want to watch from on my channel. On top of that, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.